Yeah, boss, look what we got here.
We've got a new toy. Let's have a look. Get rid of them. From Inkerma, a handheld measuring device. Looks more like a little iPhone box. It's fantastic. Bilateral laser distance meter. Let's have a look. See what we got. Ooh. Very nice.
Packaged very well, isn't it?
Yeah. Nice gizmo there. See what else we got in the box before we turn that on. Let's have a look. Oh, lovely little case. Very nice. What we got in there? Yeah, nice little charger and a handy strap.
USB-C charger, so they're sort of
cool.
into the future. It's good.
Get that on there. Get that on there. What else we got in the box? Let's have a look. Instruction manual. Okay, now let's look through that. Let's have a look. So, turn it on. All looks a little bit like science to me at the moment. But what we'll do is, we'll just for temporarily, we'll just do a little tester. Okay, what I'm going to do is, I've just got to quickly see if it works. I'm going to put the on button. And what I've done, you can see I've changed to inches, old Imperial, for an old boy like me, which is fantastic. And we've got to measure the width of this room we're in. So I've got that lamb there, you can see a laser there, and you see a laser at the other end. Let's press the old button. 217.99 inches, which is mere enough spot on. Excellent. We'll turn it off, and that'll delete that. We can save it if we want, but we don't at this point.
Cool. So that's almost like the modern day tape measure, if you will.
Yeah,
sort of.
That is what, but you need 2 points, whereas with a tape, you can click it on something.
Yeah.
But I can see the also on this that says that you can measure height and width, or 2 widths, and that'll give you a volume of area, which I think will be a really good thing. So I'm looking forward to using this. I think this will be a good handy gadget. Thank you all the people from Inkerma.